Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare takkali and masanga sanga gesi. This is nothing but a coconut based gravy prepared using drumstick and tomatoes. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 medium sized tomato roughly chopped, 1 medium sized drumstick roughly chopped, 4 to 5 dry red chili, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 to half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, handful of curry leaf, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 1 cup of water and the roughly chopped vegetables. Next into this, add a pinch of salt, give everything a good mix and cook this in high flame until the mixture begins to boil. Once the mixture begins to boil, lower the flame to low to medium and cover this and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, to prepare the ground masala paste, take a mixer jar and into that add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and chop the dried red chili into smaller pieces. Add that as well as 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with half to 3/4 cup of water. Grind this into a fine paste and make sure the ground masala consistency is not too watery and is of the consistency as shown that in the video. Once your vegetables are cooked well, add the prepared ground masala paste and rinse the mixer jar with half to 1 cup of water and add that as well. Give this a good mix and add salt as per taste and mix everything once again. Allow the mixture to cook for another 10 more minutes in low to medium flame and your delicious gravy is ready. Next, take a tadka or tempering pan and into that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, mustard seed, cumin seed, curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Add the prepared tempering into the gravy and your delicious takkali gesi is ready. This is an excellent side dish which you can have along with rice. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.